Mark point is mainly help to locate the positioning of PCB. There are 3 option boxes. One is single. This applies to a single board, or you want to regard a penalized board as a single board. Another one is penalized. This applies to joint board. We need to set mark points for each board. Manual. This only applies when there are no mark points on your PCB, so you can use some positioning holes or other referential points and subsidize. I will take a single board as an example. Create one mark first. Go and align the center of mark. When it's in the camera, you can click Mark Line. It will automatically do alignment. To make it more accurate, you can zoom in and check it. After confirmed, save and create another one. Follow the same step to align another mark point.